Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today I am bringing you the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. That's right, you're thinking to yourself, didn't we just get Samsung Galaxy Buds Live? Buds Plus? Buds? Yes! Samsung is refreshing these things every single year. It seems like they're giving us something new, different, enhanced, better. But is it really? If you are new to the channel, welcome, and head down to the comment section and leave me a comment and let me know that this is your first time here. I'd like to go ahead and formally and personally welcome you to the For the Love of Tech community. What we're going to do today is we are going to take a look at the Buds Pro and make a couple different comparisons between the Buds Live and the Buds Pro. So here are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, also known as the Beans. Thinking to yourself, the Beans? Why do they call them the Beans? Well, because they actually legit look like a couple of beans. So they definitely have earned their name. They are entitled to be called beans because they look just like some kidney beans. Now, when I put these in my ears, I want you to know they fit amazing and they fit great. I couldn't ask for anything better with these. Samsung thought that they could do better, and they gave us the Buds Pro. So these go into the ear just like this. As you can see, they're pretty flush with my ear. You don't really get to see them stick out. They're not protruding, anything like that. They fit. They are extremely comfortable. For long-term use, I would say they stop being extremely comfortable and they kind of turn into noticeable. Now, somebody like myself, I always say, and I commonly say, not all ears are created equal. Now, what do I mean when I say that? Everybody's ear canal, everybody's inner ear, outer ear, everything else is created differently. So what works for one person may not work for everybody. So here are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, also known as the Beans. So here are the Beans. Now here are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Now, the thing I like about this is it is a different design. They're not just taking this and getting rid of it. They're still selling these, but this is like an upgrade. It's a different thing altogether. Taking a look at the case, it's gorgeous, it's nice. It does have a different flippy flip action. So when I say flippy flip, I mean that feels different. It kind of locks in there, but it feels kind of weak up here, but it does spring it down and get to where it needs to go. Whereas this is more taut all the way through, right? It doesn't just pop open. Whereas this, once you get to a certain spot, it either pops open or it pops closed. Whereas this can actually stay where you put it. Which is better? I don't really know. This is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, also known as the Beans, for $169. These are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro for $199. Now, what it's sporting is 5 hours of ANC time active noise cancellation. So here are the buds. They give you more of a sealed in the ear effect while still maintaining some of the shape of the Galaxy Beans Buds Live, whatever you want to call them. So it's kind of like a little bit of enhancement because this is the first time Samsung has come out with a true wireless earbud that I can remember that actually has plugs that go in the ears. What do I mean when I say plugs? I mean these little guys. These are plugs, and they plug the ear and they make it. Oh, I feel like I just entered the Twilight Zone. Why do I feel like I just entered the Twilight Zone? Because I put these in my ears. Now, if you've made it this far into the video and you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and do me a favor. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, and while you're down there, hit the thumbs up button. But let's go ahead and get back to the Buds Pro. So I feel like I'm in another reality because as I'm talking to you right now, I can hear myself kind of like a little bit robotic, artificial, not terribly natural, slightly enhanced and modified version of my voice. I know what I sound like. I watch my videos over and over and over and over and over. So I know what my voice sounds like. And this sounds a little weird. It sounds artificial. I don't know if I like it. If you were watching a YouTube video like I was before I started recording this video, then you will notice that if you make a noise, say something, the volume artificially or organically, I don't know which is which, turns down on whatever I'm watching. This case was YouTube. So I think to myself, oh, did they screw up? Did they have an edit? So I rewind, I let it play again, and it was fine. The audio didn't adjust itself. And I became immediately aware that this is part of the feature. This is what we have going on. So we're going to go ahead and take a quick little look-see-loo at the features of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Go ahead and do that. We have our Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This phone is a beast. It's amazing. I love it. It almost has me back to Android full time. I'm on this device a lot. So let's go ahead and open this up and put these in, and we can see the animation pops up. The case is at 27%. The earbuds are at 100%. So that is definitely good right there. And I put it in and I immediately can hear my voice. It's the weirdest thing. So we're going to come over here and we're going to pull up our wearables app. And this is going to take us directly to the Galaxy Buds Pro. So come over here. It has voice detection on. So turn that off. And now we can turn the active noise cancellation off. And we can go ahead and do active noise canceling. As soon as I go ahead and turn voice detection back on and it detects me talking, it switches immediately to ambient sound. So that weird effect I was telling you about just a moment ago, we can go ahead and eliminate it by turning off voice detection, which I might prefer a little bit more. Active noise canceling level, high or low. So you can definitely change how much you want to filter out. Do you want to be high level, meaning I don't want to hear nothing from nobody, or do you want to do low level, which, okay, well, I want to hear a whisper, something a little bit close to me, maybe not quite in the distance. And as I'm switching it back and forth, I can actually tell if a car is driving past me in the distance or if it's not. So that is one cool thing. Another thing I like to go ahead and point out about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro and all the other Samsung lines is the equalizer. I prefer to stay in dynamic. You can go normal, bass boost, soft, clear, treble, whatever you want to do. Labs, if you want to go ahead and get some extras in there for you. But here in advanced, seamless earbud connection, I believe this is going from device to device to device, 360 audio. The only service or app that I'm aware that has 360 audio right now is Tidal. If there's another one, head down to the comments, leave me a comment. Tell me where else can we find some 360 audio, and click on hearing enhancements. So, and I guess this is in the event you need to balance out the sound in which you're hearing. I guess if you're having some hearing issues, or if you have your hearing is differently abled than other people, then you might be able to use that to balance it out. So that's actually pretty cool that that's there. So, and then the software update, and we are updated, so there's no worries there. So this, the big deal about this, what makes it pro right here, this active noise cancellation, we've got 3 different settings: on, off, ambient sound. There we have it. $169 the Galaxy Buds Live, or $199 the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. They fit great in my ear. The case does have a little bit bigger of a battery, so even though the earbuds themselves only have a 5-hour with active noise canceling activated, you get a little bit more time to put them in the case and charge when you're on the go. I think if I have my earbuds in my ears for 5 hours or more, I probably need a break from whatever it is that I'm doing anyways. So I don't really see how that would be a hindrance or disturb somebody from using it the way that they want to use it. But you go ahead and tell me if you think I'm wrong or if you have another opinion. I definitely am all about conversations. If you've got something to say, or you just want to go ahead and let me know what you think about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, go ahead and head down to the comments, leave me a comment. I will be sure to like and comment back to you. For the love of tech, till next time, namaste.